Hello everyone, how to Totes back with another new video, and in this video I'm going to share with you how to make someone a manager for your YouTube channel. Okay, so it means that you are going to access doing something for your YouTube channel, and that's why you have to make someone manager. So how can you do this? So go to your YouTube channel. So I'm just going to click YouTube, then click here the profile icon. You can see right top corner on your screen. Simply click on that and click here view your channel, and after that you can see the option customize channel. Click here, and then you can see the option settings. Okay, this option settings, left bottom corner on your screen. Then you can see the option permission. Simply click here and then click here invite. So email, it means that you have to that person must have a YouTube channel or email, so you have to give email here, like type an email. I'm just randomly type an email. Okay, and after that access select, you have to select like the you have to select manager. So this option, and manager means that can view everything, manage permission, go live, and create, edit, and delete content. So manager, it means that person can do anything in your channel except deleting your channel. Maybe they can they can delete your videos, and they can create a post, they can edit your. It means that if you hire someone like a freelancer, and if you tell him, okay, you can make my video, promote and many things, then you can choose them. That person can do everything, but the main owner you, that person will not able to delete your channel, but they can do anything, like they can delete your videos, they can edit, they can create, they can go on the live. So simply click here, and after that done. Okay, so it means that pending invitation. So that person manager, okay, that person will get a invitation code for his or her Gmail account, and on that click, that person click that link, then it's accepted. So okay friend, I hope this video is helpful for you. So today's no more, and thank you for watching.